Hi, I'm here to go over the operation and maintenance of your M11 sterilizer. I'd like to start off with the mechanics of it. To open the door, lift straight up on the handle, swing the door open. On the inside you have your door gasket, your door dam, your water reservoir fill, your water reservoir drain tube, your trays, your rack assembly which holds your trays in place, your control panel, and your safety relief valve. Operation of your sterilizer. To start with, you want to make sure your reservoir is filled with 1.4 gallons of distilled water. Put the items you want to sterilize on the trays. Make sure that you don't overfill your chamber. You want your steam of your sterilizer to be able to go around all the packs, and therefore you don't want to overfill it. Push the trays in, close the door. To close the door, you want to slightly lift up on the handle, push in, and then push down on the handle. When it's nice and smooth across here, that indicates the door is closed all the way. You have 4 choices of cycles. You have your unwrapped, you have your pouches, your packs, and your handpieces. When you select any of these cycles, it'll tell you 3 things. It'll tell you what temperature it's going to run at, how long the sterilization cycle is going to take, and how long the dry time is going to take. Go ahead and select a cycle, and then push start. At the end of that cycle time, you're going to hear a series of 5 beeps. That indicates 2 things: that the sterilization cycle is done and that the door is going to open. The door slowly raises, it pops open about a ½ inch, and it releases all the steam from the chamber. At this time you can open the door and have access to your instruments. Your drying cycle is still going on. Now let's go over the maintenance of your sterilizer. To start with, there's 2 things that you want to accomplish. Weekly, you want to make sure that you drain your water reservoir. By doing that is you pull your tube loose, and realizing that as soon as you drop this tube, water is going to come out. So have a bucket ready to go. Drain the reservoir completely, and then refill it with 1.4 gallons of distilled water. On a monthly basis, you want to flush the system, and using Speed Clean Sterilizer Cleaner, that's the manufacturer's recommended cleaner. On the back here is very descriptive information on how to go through that process. And also, with all your M11 sterilizers comes this laminated chart. It has your weekly maintenance, your monthly maintenance, and on the back side, it has operation maintenance. That concludes this demonstration on your M11 sterilizer.